Hello and welcome to another quick training tutorial. In this training tutorial, I'll show you the automated score improvement email. The automated credit score improvement email allows you to send an automatic email to your client whenever there's a new score updated in the software and there's a score improvement. This will save you a lot of time, plus this would also make your customers feel valued as they are receiving an immediate update whenever there's score improvement. You can of course still send the score improvement manually, but we have it fully automated so that you won't have to go in every time to send an email for your client. You just have to basically turn it on. There's two different ways of having the automated score improvement sent out. First is if you are in the credit score screen, you can add a new credit score for your client, and every time that you do, when the software reads the credit score improvement, it would automatically send an email. Second is in the importer screen. Whenever you import a new credit report and a new credit score is recorded, there's a score improvement seen by the software, then automatically a score improvement email will be sent out. Now you can activate the credit score improvement automation in two different ways. One is under Company and go to Notification Automation. From here, at the very first screen under Manage Notification, you'll be able to see Automated Credit Score Improvement Email for the credit score screen, and the other is for the importer screen. Currently, I have them both turned on. If you wish to turn it off, you just have to toggle this icon, and once it's on its color red, then it only means that it is currently turned off. Now you also have another way of turning on this automation by going under Dispute Manager and click on Dispute Manager from the drop-down menu options. From here, of course, you can always watch a training video at the top to know more about this in case you get lost into navigation as a quick guide as well. And if you wish to send out a credit score automation or an improvement email to your client, all you have to do is to make sure that this tick box right here is turned on. You can always read through the tooltip if you need to know more about this tick box. Once you have the tick box checked, automatically the credit score automation would be turned on. So when you add a new credit score for your client and there's a score improvement, the email would be sent out. For example, let's add a new credit score for this client. Let's click on Save. Automatically, a credit score improvement email now is sent to your customer. Again, this is if you have the one for the credit score screen turned on, and every time that you upload a new credit score or update a new credit score and click on Save, and there's a score improvement red, an email will be sent out. Now, another way is if you go to the Add Item screen, and from the Add Item screen, click on Import Credit Report, and if you have the credit score automation inside the importer screen turned on, just simply check the tick box. You'll have the automation turned on. And whenever you upload any new credit score or credit report for your client and there's a credit score improvement read by the software, the email would also be sent out. Now, how would the email look like? Let's come here. This is me logged into an email of a client, and this is the email that was received by my client. The score improvement would be showing right here with the initial score, the current score, and the computation of the improvement itself. Your clients would also have an easy access to the client tracking portal if they wish to know more about it. You can modify this email template as you wish to, of course. To modify the email template, you'll be able to locate them under Company, Manage Emails, and from the Manage Email screen, just scroll down a little bit under Automated Email Templates, and you'll be able to see two emails. One is Automated Credit Score Improvement Email for the credit score screen. The other is for the importer screen. You can view both of the templates, and you can edit them as you wish to by clicking on the Edit icon. Now, by editing an email, you need to make sure that you kind of take note of the placeholders. It is best and important for you not to touch the placeholders so that the information that's supposed to be populated there would not be removed. Placeholders are the ones with open and close parentheses, and aside from the placeholders, you could still modify any other parts of the email. You can also use different formatting styles available right here at the top if you wish to. Once you're done making the necessary changes, do not forget to hit on Update so those changes would be saved. If you turn on both for the credit score screen and the importer screen, then you'll be needing to modify both of the templates if you wish to make any modifications. So that would complete our quick training tutorial on the automated credit score improvement email.